What's the meaning of bale? Bale. Bale.
Bale. Bale. The word bale has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of its most common definitions is a large bundle of goods, such as hay or cotton, tightly bound with twine or wire for transportation or storage. The word can also refer to the measurement unit for such bundles. In nautical terms, bale can refer to the capacity of a ship's hold or the amount of water it takes on. Additionally, bale can be a verb meaning to package goods into a bale or bundle. Overall, the word bale is most often associated with the shipping and agricultural industries.